In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the markdown block on Squarespace. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to fire up your browser and head over to Squarespace. Understandably, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you've done that, you should find yourself on your home page. Take a moment to let everything load, and when everything is ready, let's navigate to your profile. You'll find this in the lower left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click there. This will bring up a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the one you want to work on by selecting it. Now that you've selected your website, the next step is to click Edit. This will take you directly into the editing mode so you can start customizing your page. As you're doing this, look out for the option to Add Block. This is an essential feature that allows you to insert various types of content onto your page, and it's crucial for today's task. Once you click Add Block, a menu should appear with various options. From this list, locate and click on Markdown. This action will insert a Markdown block onto your page. You can double-click this block to open up a text editor. In this space, you have the freedom to enter your text, and Markdown gives you the flexibility to format your content beautifully. For instance, if you want certain pieces of text to stand out, you can simply highlight them and make them bold. This draws your reader's attention to key points. Similarly, if you wish to provide emphasis but in a subtler way, you can italicize text. The visual distinction is effective in keeping your readers engaged. Perhaps you need to organize your content under main ideas, or maybe sub-points under those main ideas. You can do so by selecting text and turning them into headings. Options for making text. Heading 1 or Heading 2 are readily available, providing you with a clear hierarchy for structuring your information. This feature is particularly useful when you need to create sections within your page. At this point, it might be worth your while to explore the additional features available in this editor. Markdown is a versatile tool that offers much more than just text formatting, so feel free to try out different things as you become more comfortable. Once you have everything set up just the way you like it, remember to look over your work one last time to make sure it's perfect. You'll want to make sure to save your changes. To do this, simply click Save. Congratulations, you've successfully used the Markdown block on Squarespace. It's a fantastic tool that can really enhance your website, and now you're all set to start creating engaging, well-formatted content.